show exotic is put pressure on people keeping exotic animals.
Uh-huh. Thanks for tuning in today. Hope you'll enjoy my channel. Like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and comment and share. So we've got the cat and the puppy playing and the bird here. This is Charlie. Where someone was just saying how he was rescued from a house that was literally cage upon cage. There were just a bunch of hoarders of animals, evidently. Anyway, I thought you guys might like to enjoy the puppy and the cat play and the bird. What you think, Charlie? Hey, Charlie. Not trying to get too close and scare you right now. How's your feet doing on that, huh? Well, look at that pretty head. Hello. Pretty bird. Want me to sit down over here with you and hang out now? Huh? T, the cat, was getting Charlie's tail, but Charlie will defend himself. We've got a little blue also. Little third of his size. Here. Isn't he beautiful? Pretty bird. You gonna talk, Charlie? Gonna say something nice? You a pretty bird? Yeah, you are. You happy here? Happy to be out of a cage and crammed next to bird after bird and monkeys? Yeah. I'm happy to have you here. You better learn to kick T's butt. You better take care of yourself now, buddy. Hey, stop, Thor. Yeah, go kick T's butt. Don't let him get away with that. I know T's mom and his dad. Better bite some shit. Oops, didn't mean to say that. Or sugar. Hey, T. T. T's being a bully.
Tiggy, do you want to find out what happens to bullies?
Uh-oh.
Move, Charlie. Excuse me.
I got you, Charlie. I'm holding it. It's all good, Charlie. Yeah, Thor. What you think, huh? Well, I think that's going to about end the video for the cat and the dog portion. What do you think, Charlie? High five? High five? No. I saw you shake your head no. No, you don't want to let go? I don't blame you, dude.
Excuse me.
Oh, yeah? Little puppy, where you think you're going to go, huh? You want to come out here and hang with us? Come on. Whoop. You're all right. Hey, Charlie, come on. Come here, dude. Hi. Come here. Yeah, hi. Gonna chill with me for a minute? I want to stop recording? Yeah. Say bye. Say ciao. Say ciao. Say like, please. Subscribe. Like. Comment. Say hi, Charlie. Say hey. Hola. And Thor, you gonna say goodbye?
If he starts doing something cute, watch his eyes, 'cause he'll show you his eyes if he's gonna attack you.
Oh, if he starts doing something cute, watch his eyes.
Yeah.
Like I'm sitting too close.
Thinning. You'll visibly see his eyes go from looking like big and black like they are right now, get real thin and huge and red.
Uh-oh. I think I want to sit back a little further. What's up, Thor? All right. From our house to yours. Let's say hello to the fish real quick. We're wanting to get a Christmas tree. We're asking on Ask Katusa for some things. It's the hardest thing to do is ask, especially when you're givers. God's providing. We don't have much, so we're happy to have anything. So, gonna see what will happen. But Caleb's asked for a tree. I'm gonna see that I asked for a tree. All right. Thanks for spending a little time with us. Our little humble abode. And say goodbye. Ciao. Aw, aren't you the cutest? All right, thanks for watching. Ciao for now. It's Gigi with Heidi Lane, the invisible veteran. Love and prayers. Remember the light.